All right, the Appleton Estate legend, the obscure, hard to find, can't find that we just took shots of.
Sure did.
Is the one we're drinking. The one with the mint has the legend in it and the El Dorado. So hey,
Equal parts.
equal parts. Cheers.
Cheers, man. It's pretty punchy.
Still getting like good acidity, like the orange pop from the orange liqueur.
Pretty damn good.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of the big sharp bold El Dorado note. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't spent a lot of time with the legend.
Oh, you haven't?
Just 1 ounce occasions in a Mai Tai, and then on its own, and then now, and obviously the shot.
Yeah.
And it's very good. It probably steps all over that.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I feel like it's tougher to parse out the 17. Yeah. I mean, it works. It's collectively a really good, I think, Mai Tai, but, am I getting too much Jamaican-ness? I don't think I really am.
We had talked about this off camera. I'm trying to figure out the best rum to mix with the El Dorado. And I found that like Smith & Cross and other ones, they sort of step on the El Dorado. Like you do want something that's a little bit more subdued.
Yeah. Like specifically in a Mai Tai.
In a Mai Tai. That's what we're talking about. So let's try, El Dorado with the 21. Cheers.
Cheers.
There could be a big difference there. Slightly big difference.
I'm back. Yeah, for sure. Now, part of that might be a difference in proof, right? Because the 21 is only 43% ABV, the 17 is 49. Bit of a difference, but
I feel like the 100% pot still nature of the 17 can you can still taste it.
Yep.
And then this is more just El Dorado.
Yep. Not bad, but there is maybe a little bit more oakiness or woodiness coming in on the 21.
And I think that might be something that you want that flavor to come through. And with the El Dorado High Ester, it's like there's too many different things competing, and I feel like somehow this kind of complements each other. Like you're not from my experience of trying out all these rums with the El Dorado, like you're not losing the El Dorado, but you're not losing the Jamaican flavor either. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to say something's the best you've ever had when you're like not in the context of everything else, but this is probably one of the best Mai Tais you could ever have. And I use the Sunken Harbor Club orange liqueur, which is mixed Grand Marnier and Clement Creole shrub, my own homemade orgeat, and then we use lime juice, and it's tasty.
It really is. To me, how I classify a Mai Tai that I really enjoy is it's those flavors of generic or classic Hawaiian punch, but like amped up, right? Funkier, a little bit like sharper edges to that flavor of Hawaiian punch. Me, Mai Tais that I've always remembered and stood out to me are versions of that. And this does that, but with so much kick and personality and character.
I just really think that El Dorado High Ester is one of the best rums you could put in a Mai Tai, and finding the perfect combination. Unfortunately, the 17, it's not the perfect combination because unless you're this guy, it doesn't exist for everyone else. So